Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about the role of construction industry in economical development of country. Construction industry plays very important role in the economic development of the country. In this following video, you will understand how important the construction industry is. What if I said the construction is the second largest economic activity in the country next to agriculture? Talking about India, as we know, agriculture plays very important role in the economic development. But after agriculture, the second comes is construction industry. As we know, we are a developing country and many infrastructure projects are going on. So it plays a very important role in the economic development of the country because it's the second largest construction firm. The construction industry is one of the industry of today that has a great impact on the economy of any nation. You can talk about any nation. In any nation, why it is important? Because infrastructure projects require large amount of investment, and from this large amount of investment they accept the profit. For a simple example, metro projects going on in your Mumbai region. So this metro construction requires large amount of investment, but we also expect a huge amount of benefits or profit from it. So that is why it is very important in the economic development of the country. The revenue generated by it are on huge amount. Then the scope of construction industry is too broad, and as a construction management you will be making valuable contribution for expanding it further. As you can see, construction, what is construction? Anything that is being built by using any type of construction material, it can be known as construction. Starting from your roads, railways, harbors, then airports, metros, bridges, dams, residential building, commercial building, industrialization, then your educational buildings, everything is come under construction. So you can imagine how huge the construction is. Now, the construction industry of India is an important indicator of the development as it creates investment opportunities across various related sectors. As you can see, why it is very important, because in construction industry we have many openings and opportunities in investment. So we go for private investment also, private public investment also, and from which both can get the benefits. The industry has contribution and estimated 3,000 billion US dollars to the national GDP in 2011-12, a share of around 19%. So you can see the huge amount this has contributed to our GDP. Then the sector is labor intensive and include indirect jobs, provides employment to more than 49.5 million people. As we can see, construction industry is generally labor based. We require huge amount of labors, and directly or indirectly you can say it is giving the employment to around 49.5 million people. So as you can say, it is nearly about 30 to 40% are employed in construction industry. It plays a powerful role in economic growth. The Planning Commission has estimated that the investment requirement in infrastructure to the tune of about rupees 14,500 billion during the 11th 5 year plan period. The plan period which is going on, that it will be increased to the 14,500 billion. As you can see, it's the smallest example so that you can understand the GDP of 2011 for different world, and you can see the contribution of construction for their GDPs. So you can see China, then United States, then comes India. So India is playing very important role in the GDP. Now you can see some landmarks. World's largest dam, that is name is Three Gorge Dam, and the location is in China. Why I am telling you, the you can understand the economic growth and why the construction industry is very important. These are some examples, some landmarks. Its feature is it has 4 million wide, that is 2.3 kilometer and 630 feet high, and energy can be generated is 22,400 megawatt, and completion period is in 2010. So you can see the huge dam and how much energy it is developing, and it cost around $22.5 billion. Then next comes world's tallest building, everyone knows, that is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. So it cost $1.5 billion. The feature is it is 828 meter tall, you can't imagine, and it is completed in 2010. So these are some miracles happen in construction. Then next comes the world's tallest statue, everyone knows, the Statue of Unity, that is also in Dubai, and it cost around $350 million and features 182 meter long, and it is completed in 2018. So as you can see, the next comes is world's longest bridge, and this longest bridge is between Beijing and Shanghai, that is in China, and it costs 8.5 million. And what is the main feature? It is 165 kilometers long. The bridge is 165 kilometer long, the longest bridge, and completed in 2011. So as you can know, if this huge amount of construction is going on, how much it will contribute to your economy and the development of job opportunities as well. So in this video, we have seen how the important the construction projects are for the economic development of your country. Thank you.